Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.dessc.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of Dubai English Speaking College. In this main page left corner menu available. In this menu one of the option work with us. If you click this link work with us, you can get what are the current teaching job opportunities for Dubai English Speaking College. So what are the current opportunities? So DESC seeks to recruit the very best staff who will help us to continue to provide our high standard of education. We have the following vacancies are available. Teacher of Business and Economics August 2022, Teacher of English August 2022, Teacher of History and Politics August 2022, Teacher of Law, Teacher of Mathematics, Teacher of Media, Teacher of Music, Teacher of Science. So all the jobs are going to start August 2022. So if for example, if you are interested for Teacher of Business and Economics, you can click this link. So you can get what are the successful applicant have the qualification. So have the relevant qualification or equivalent. Minimum 1 year teaching experience of the UK curriculum and qualified teacher status. Be talented and highly motivated with a proven track record of teaching either GCSE or A level preferred, willing to contribute a positive manner to all aspects of the college vision including extracurricular activities. So what are the compensation and benefit package? Highly competitive tax free salary, accommodation allowance, fully furnished accommodation, premium medical insurance, annual flight allowance, tuition fee for up to 2 children, end of service gratuity in line with UAE labor law. So make sure before applying please check your job description. So here if you click this link class teacher job description, you can get what are the job descriptions for business teacher. So what are the responsibilities? Departmental expectation, whole school expectation, person specification. So make sure before applying please check the details. If you meet the requirement you can apply as per the instruction. So CVs will not accepted by and only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So how to apply? Please complete our application form by clicking here. So closing date of application is Monday 22nd November 2021. So before that you can submit your application as per the instruction. So job application form, if you click this link you can get what are the job application form. This is teaching post job application form. The application form should take approximately 20 minutes to complete. There are 8 sections in this application form. You will require to upload up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 pages, and up-to-date cover letter. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. So page number 1. So first you have to upload your recent photograph, subject information. Page number 2, personal details. Then employment history, page number 3. Page number 4, career gaps, other training, employment references. So 3 references are mandatory. Here red color asterisks are mandatory. Page number 5, health declaration and disclosure, safer recruitment policy. And page number 6 given an additional information. Once you have filled all the page numbers, you can submit your job application. Once you are submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. This is the way you have to send your job application for Dubai English Speaking College. The next one is you can enter in the URL www.bringtoncollege.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Brington College Abu Dhabi. In this main page, staff vacancies available. If you click this link, staff vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Brington College Abu Dhabi. Physical education teaching and learning assistant, science technician, teacher of chemistry senior school, teacher of physics and senior school. So these are all the vacancies. So for example, if you are interested for teacher of chemistry senior school, you can click this link. So this job is going to start January 2022. The successful candidate will have a proven record of delivering lessons that inspire children to succeed in order to achieve their aspiration. So interested applicants should send a letter of application addressed to Head of Senior School Dr. Jennifer Walters, a completed application form. Application form available below, and up-to-date CV to Mrs. Lisa Croxton, Head of Senior School. So if you want full job description, you can click here. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. This is teacher of chemistry, senior school, Brington College, Abu Dhabi, job description. Person specification, job description, responsibilities of position, remuneration they are given, attractive salary, company provide accommodation, school fees remission, private medical insurance. So all application must consist of the following completed document: letter of application, maximum 1.5 sides, addressed to Dr. Jennifer Walters, Head of School, Brington College, Abu Dhabi, completed teacher application form available on website, CV maximum of 2 page. So candidates submit their application as soon as possible. So application form available here, teacher application form. So link available here. You can click this link. You can get job application form, Brington College, Abu Dhabi. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. So first one is your personal details, current employment, employment history, gaps in your employment, references, education, qualification and training, professional development, other vocational qualification, health declaration. There are 5 pages in this application form. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send your job application form. Job application form and up-to-date CV to Mrs. Lisa Croxton, Head of Senior School. So this is the way you have to send Brington College, Abu Dhabi teaching job vacancies. So all the jobs are going to start January 2022. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.southvieschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Southview School UAE. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option about us. If you click this link about us, you can get one option careers. So what are the vacancies for academic year January 2022? Secondary school appointment, head of music. Primary school appointments of key stage class 1 teacher, class 2 teacher and early years class teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can submit your job application form. So name, last name, date of birth, gender, nationality, country of residence, email ID, phone number, application position, qualification, specialized area, number of teaching years experience, current role. Please add your CV and cover letter. Once you have added, you can apply. Once you have submitted this job application form, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you can get a great job. All the best for your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.